All right, so it's Friday morning around 7:30 in the morning. I'm about ready to take a plane to meet Steven Sushi in LA. I'm super excited. Actually, he said he was closer to San Diego, so I don't know if he actually lives in LA, but so we're going to San Diego, guys. So I was originally going to drive, but it's raining and storms, and so a few subscribers text me, you should not drive. It's very, very dangerous. Be very, very careful. And they made me nervous. I went on the news, and they said the same thing. Try not to drive. You might get stuck on the freeway or the highway, especially Highway 5. And I was like, you know what? I better not chance it. Maybe just book a flight. And I'm not even sure my flight will be canceled because all these rainstorms in California, Southern and Northern California, it's just crazy right now. But I checked. It's all the flights in my area going to San Diego have not been canceled. They're all scheduled, so that's good. Yeah, and also in San Diego, it's not raining that much as in like LA area, so maybe that would be a better place, to land. But I wasn't really sure if my flight would be canceled. I didn't want to like schedule to rent a car and to get a hotel, and if my flight's canceled, I waste all that money or all those fees or extra, the fees that they do, So I think what I'm gonna do is book my hotel and my car when I get there, just to make sure my flight was okay and I don't waste money. If my flight does get canceled, I don't know. You never know, Yeah, I've never done this before. Very, very late. I just booked my hotel 2 days. I did have to spend a lot of money, but I've never done this before. But you know what? I took the time off from Walmart, my day job, and getting time off from my Walmart job is very, very, very hard. I don't want to do that again, and I just wanted to make it happen. Even if it's raining, so I'm just try to do this out, So that's why I didn't want to change it for the next week or 2 weeks out, because it's just very, very hard to get my time off from Walmart. I don't want to get fired from Walmart. I'm getting a good $1,000 a month. It might be raining, but I think on Sunday it doesn't rain in San Diego at all, and it rains a little bit today and tomorrow, so it won't be too bad. So, all right, guys, let's go to San Diego. All right, guys, I'm super excited. I finally made it to my hotel. It took me almost 2 hours to get here. It said an hour, but there was so much traffic, so I do want to give you guys a hotel room. Before I show you this hotel room, Steven Sushi suggested this hotel, and it has a bathtub, and it's really close to restaurants, fast foods. All right, so we walk in. This is what it looks like. They only had 2 queens available. I don't know if the kings are kings, but yeah. So I literally just like walked up here. I go, do you have any rooms available? So that's how I did that. This trip was so unplanned. But yeah, first you go here and see what's in here. Nice closet. We have a nice sink. We put some ice here. Here is the bathroom. I can't believe it, a bathtub. Wow, you guys know how much I love bathtubs. Get some extra light in here. Very basic bathroom. So you have the 2 beds. I could have got 1 bed, but it was only available for 2 nights. So we decided to do 2 beds. We have a microwave. It's nice. Refrigerator. That's nice. I really like this one place. TV. Nice desk if I wanted to do computer editing here. Here's the view. Not the best view. Basically, it's a freeway, but so I like this room. It's very spacious. It's very nice. So right now I'm gonna text Steven and tell him I'm here. I told him I'll be here in like 30 minutes. He's like, oh my God, I'm so excited. And so he's like so excited to see me. I'm so excited to see him. And oh my God, I just can't believe I'm meeting Steven Sushi. This is crazy, but really cool. And today my heart was beating kind of fast. Like I had anxiety. And yeah, I'm finally gonna meet my favorite YouTuber of all time. So I'm super excited, and yeah. All right, guys, it's about 7 p.m. right now. I took a little bit of a nap. I was editing my breakfast video at the airport. It won't be the best video because the microphone, I think I had the microphone to the side, and it just, I think it's a good microphone, but I think I need to be closer to the mouth or be like this way instead of that way. I don't know, but so that's not that. I'm gonna save that video and maybe I'll try to put it on tomorrow morning. I'll try to put that video up tomorrow morning. But I was texting Steve and he's like, hey, you gonna go live? I don't know, should I? Yeah, you should go live. Because I was actually gonna film a regular video. Said, no, you should go live and just announce to everybody we're doing a collab. So, and we were discussing what I should eat. I feel like I crave pizza, but then there's Farmer Boys is near me, and there's also Raising Cane's. I haven't had Raising Cane's in a while. But then he was like, well, what have you not had before? I'm like, well, I haven't had Farm Boys ever. He's like, you should do Farm Boys and get lots of ranch. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm super hungry. All I had today was a bagel with cream cheese. And I'm actually really hungry right now. So that's what we're doing. We're going to Farm Boys.
Hi, thank you for choosing Farmer Boys. You can order whenever you're ready.
All right, just give me 1 second. All right, I'm ready. I'm ready. Hello? All right, guys. I said the guy, maybe didn't hear me, but I'm gonna go through and try to order at the window. So yeah, as we're waiting for the order, and to get to the window, I would just talk about Farmer Boys. I do have one in my area. It's about 45 minutes away from me. It's just kind of far, 30, 35, 40, 45 minutes. So if it's really good, I can go to my area, but it's a little bit distance. But I think I've seen some mukbangs do Farmer Boys, but I think it's only in Southern California. No, actually, we have some in the Bay Area as well, but there's no Farmer Boys very close to me, like 45 minutes to an hour away. I think my order is coming up. I almost went to dine in. I wonder if I should have. All right, here we go, guys. So their order is very basic. They just have cheeseburgers, onion rings, fries. I think they have zucchini fries or something. Not really much to the menu. Hi.
Should we choose an order of fries?
No, I tried to place my order, but the guy never got back to me.
Okay, what do you want to order?
The big cheese, onion rings, French fries, and a Dr. Pepper.
Big cheese, onion ring, French fries, and Dr. Pepper?
Like a medium-sized Dr. Pepper, yeah.
Okay, I'll put that in, and then you can pay here, but then I'll park you in the back after you pay.
Okay, that's fine.
Because we have other food, like, you know.
Okay, that's fine, no problem.
Alright, so big cheese, fries, onion rings, and a medium Dr. Pepper?
Yeah, that's correct.
Okay.
Okay. This Dr. Pepper's flat. Anyways, guys, she told me to park in the back because she said they made the other food for other cars. That's fine, whatever. I asked her if they I wanted 2 ranches. I asked if they charge extra, and she said normally they do, but she already rated my order up, so she'll give me the ranch for free. So that was nice of her. So I got a cheeseburger. It's called a big cheese, French fries, onion rings, and yeah, 2 ranches. I wanted to try both. I like French fries and onion rings, but I'm pretty hungry. So yeah. All right, guys, I just got my food. They gave it to me, but they didn't give me the ranch. I had to go back inside and get the ranch. So I think I should have went inside. All right, guys, here's my food. Look at these onion rings. I've never seen onion rings this big before. Never. Man. I want to get the fries and the onion rings. I like both, and I got a cheeseburger. The cheeseburger looks kind of smallish, but yeah, I'm just going to give this a try. I'm going to do a live video, too.